Hey, I'm Emily and I am a first year, and I actually didn't do so hot on my first quarter here in college, and then I've been told to study smarter rather than harder, and like before coming here I was like I don't know how to do this. Like I have my first midterm tomorrow, like I don't know what I'm doing. But I feel like Dr. Pinesett really broke it down to really simple terms, and I know it's going to be a super long process of like how to study efficiently, and it's probably going to take me a really long time, but like I actually know where to start now at least. So it's all about breaking it down, and Dr. Pinesett did a really good job of motivating me, and his energy is super contagious.
Hi, my name is Zoe Ram. I'm a second year here at the University of California, Irvine. I'm a civil engineering student, and I attended Dr. Pinesett's seminar tonight in hopes of obtaining and retaining specific study skills that I think could help me throughout the future and improve my quarter, because for the last few quarters it's been very shaky. So one thing that I took away from the seminar is utilizing my time properly, scheduling my studying properly, and that studying is actually a thing. And in learning that, I'm realizing that if you invest more time in the preparation, then the process will go by much more swiftly. So I'm really thankful that I came to this seminar. I initially thought that pre-med students were the only ones that were allowed to come, so I felt kind of shy, but learning his framework is something that will benefit anybody of any major and any sector. So I would definitely recommend you coming to one of his seminars. You learn so much, and in a short span of time.
Hi, my name is Ijoma Chigizia. I'm a second year biological sciences major and a minor in psychology and social behavior here at UC Irvine. I attended Dr. Pinesett's seminar. This is my second time actually attending this seminar, in hopes of reevaluating what I'm doing wrong and what I can be doing to improve my study habits. What I really enjoyed most about this lecture was that he was energetic, he was outgoing, he really wanted his students to succeed. And the fact that I just attended this seminar that was only for 2 hours, and I learned so much that would have taken me like a couple weeks to learn on my own, is just amazing.
My name is Sergio Espejo. I'm a second year mathematics major, and as a mathematics major, everything's very methodical. And in this lecture, I learned so many time management skills that I've never heard anywhere else. So it's going to be a great experience for my next 2 years applying this to my college education. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Maren McClanahan. I'm a third year transfer into the biological sciences program here at UCI. I think Dr. Pinesett has a lot to offer, because I've learned more from him in 2 hours or even 1 hour than I think that I've learned in my entire studying career. I mean, especially as a transfer student or even a first year student here at a quarter system, it has really helped me streamline my study habits and get better grades here than I was getting at a semester system at OCC. I definitely think that what Dr. Pinesett has to offer goes beyond the realm of just pre-health majors or even just biological sciences and sciences in general. I think that he has a lot to offer to all majors, just because these are things that students don't come in knowing. We don't learn how to study effectively in high school or community college. We have to catch up to that at the university level. And having him come in and talk about effective study habits right off the bat, I know that I can apply what I've learned tomorrow.
Alright, hi, I'm Sophie Chevral. I'm a bio major, first year. I think that Dr. Pinesett's advice on how to study and was just very insightful as someone who hasn't exactly figured out what to do or how to do anything yet. It was just a good starting place, just because I study and I have ideas on what works for me, but I didn't truly understand that there's a certain way and certain habits that you have to instill in yourself to study better and do better in your whole career as a student. So I definitely recommend doing it. I'm probably going to take the study course too. So.
Hi, my name is Victory Onyogwer. I'm a public health science major. I think the seminar today was really great. It actually made me know that I was actually doing everything wrong. like I don't even know how to study. I thought I knew how to study, but I don't know how to study. So I think Dr. Pinesett's seminar is definitely a go-to, a must go-to, especially if you're trying to like go to grad school and have to take all these extra exams and stuff. I think it's very, everyone needs to know how to study and how to be like better than the masses.
So my name is Tien. I'm a public health science major here at UCI. My ultimate career goal, I think, is something in the healthcare field. I'm not sure if I want to be a physician or not. I found this workshop really helpful because I actually tried learning my own study strategies, like reading other books, but having a person actually there in person and actually talking through it, and with Dr. Pinesett's energy really helped make the workshop more active and a lot more fun to go through. I would really love to see more things like this at UCI, especially to help students, to have them be more aware of their study skills and how they're doing in classes, and just to apply this knowledge to their life in the long term.
My name is Tuivon. I'm a second-year biochem major, and this is the first time I've ever met Dr. Pinesett, and I didn't really know what to expect from it, but I'm really glad I came out today. He said a lot of things that I wish I would have known my freshman year. Definitely this is my second year, so I felt a lot of burnout already. So it was really nice just hearing it. It kind of showed me why I burned out, and so it's good for me to know now, and I really wish I would discover this earlier.
I'm Jeff. I really enjoyed the seminar. It was really, really helpful actually. Like, it helped me really like conceptualize what I need to do to get back on track when I needed to do to like really study better, you know. So thank you.
I'm Anais, and today was the second time that I got to hear Dr. Pinesett give one of his inspirational talks, and I'm very glad that I actually signed up and came out for this, because not only is he very engaging with his audience, but he also gives a lot of inspirational ideas and tips, and many of the things were very helpful for me, like studying tips and preparing for midterms. So I'm very glad that I came out, and I suggest that everyone should hear at least one of his talks.
Okay, so I'm Nance. I'm a second-year bio major, and this morning I got an email saying like the information about how he was going to come out and like give a talk, and I don't know, I just decided to sign up, and I'm really glad I did because it's inspiring and just overwhelmingly, like, I don't know, it's shocking how he has so much going on and he's like able to like handle everything. It's just inspiring, and I'm glad I came out and learned.
Dr. Pinesett, right? Pinesett?
Yes.
He is amazing, and his speech was so motivational, and I loved all his tips, and he was just so social and nice, and it was really awesome hearing him.
Hello, my name is Kashif Vazante-Lari. I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineer here at UC Irvine. I will be staying a fifth year so I could utilize the concept that I've learned from Dr. Andre even more next year. And so this is my second year attending this type of workshop. Last year, I attended this workshop and the information was good. However, I just felt like at that point of time in my life, it really didn't resonate with me. Now, being a little bit more older, wiser, mature, and hearing the presentation again this year, which had a lot more new information than it did last year, I felt like the information was a lot more fruitful and it just resonated with me a lot better. The most important thing that I got out of this workshop was that I know how to be a lot more efficient when it comes to living life in general. You know, I have a tendency to study, and not do well on tests. So just hearing Dr. Andre speak and talk about, you know, what is the most productive way that's going to help you study and see the results that you want to see was really nice to hear. So after this video that I'm doing right now, I'm going to invest in myself, buy some flashcards, and just start to differentiate the ways in which I take notes in hopes to see different and more effective results. What I think other students can get from this is just knowing how to study effectively. One of the biggest components of his workshop was that it's all in the mindset. It's not really about how you do things, but it's about how you think about doing those things. And so if you have the wrong attitude about doing certain things, then you're not going to see the results that you want to see. So if you have a negative result, if you have a negative mindset, you're going to have negative results. If you have a positive mindset, you're going to have positive results. So I think all in all is just more so along the lines of tailoring the way you think, which is going to help you see more effective results.
Hi, my name is Charlene. I am a first-year public health science student at UCI, and I enjoyed the talk by Dr. Pinesett, right? Yes. Pinesett, because a lot of the things he said are the things that I do wrong in terms of studying, and especially since I'm a first year, like this is my second quarter and I didn't do so well. First quarter, like I'm trying to improve, but I don't really know how to go about it. So I feel like his lecture really helped me put into perspective exactly the specific things that I need to change and how to better manage my time and study less, but still do well. So I'm gonna go try them out and see how it works, and if it goes well, then I'm definitely gonna give another testimonial. And you guys should definitely check out his YouTube channel and see if you can sign up for any of his courses, because he is amazing.